C# data types. Data types are especially important in C# because they directly determine how much memory is allocated and how the data is stored and processed. Choosing the right data type of your variable is crucial. It prevents mistakes, save time and memory, and makes your code easier to work with. So there are different types of data types available in C# like integer, bool, string, etc. So what type of data we are going to store in variable name, accordingly the type would be defined whenever we declare that particular variable. So what are the different types of C# data types? So first one is value data type, pointer data types, dynamic data types, and reference data types. So value data types are again categorized into two parts, predefined and user defined. So integer, decimal, boolean, float, etc. are predefined data types provided by the C# programming language. We can also declare custom data types with the help of enumeration and structures of value data type. So if you want to declare value data type user defined, then in case of you have to use enumeration or structures for it. Similarly, reference data types are also categorized into two parts, predefined and user defined. Predefined reference data types contains objects and strings, etc. So with the help of these inbuilt data types, developer can declare the predefined reference type variables into his code. Similarly, if developer want to use user-defined data types, then developer need to declare classes and interfaces for that.